So the 5-stage security solution framework that we help build in to any OT or an IoT network environment is it revolves around visibility and threat management. Firstly, um, we help CISO organizations or security organizations in predicting what could happen to a network environment. So we help with OT and IoT network, creating an OT and IoT network baseline, creating a complete inventory, and also provide risk scoring using the vulnerability management module. Then we help with prevention of attacks using risk mitigation strategies with our network access control, our microsegmentation module, and the decoy and deception. So this is a unique proposition that we bring in, which none of our competitors are doing, wherein we combine bringing in effective decoys into the IoT or the OT environment, which helps with luring the attackers to the decoys instead of the actual machines themselves. Then comes the detection, where we have a complete incident management system which helps with behavioral monitoring, any anomaly detection, and detection of known threats using the threat intelligence. And we have compliance packs. These packs helps with meeting any global or local mandates, and also fine tuning your cybersecurity program to meet different compliance standards and recommendations as well. The most important thing is the response. So we help build incidents response playbooks in line with the MITRE attack framework, and also we have built in a workflow into the Sectrio suite or into the Sectrio solution, which helps with adaptive response as well. So the reason why we built this into the solution is we're seeing that attackers are also using adaptive malwares, and to prevent the attackers to create any kind of huge impact, we have adaptive responses which are built in to the solution as well.